Welcome to the Adastra Studio AI Masterclass, where you'll learn how to unlock the full potential of Adastra Studio AI with step-by-step, expert-led tutorials. In this session, we'll walk you through how to use the Ad Spy feature to discover, analyze, and gain insights from high-performing advertisements. To begin, navigate to the left-hand menu, click on Ad Spy, and then select Extension. Let's get started. This powerful extension allows you to instantly clone ads from Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn ad libraries with a single click. Capture ad copy, images, videos, and complete ad metadata in seconds, making competitive research faster and more efficient than ever. To get started, click Get from Chrome Web Store. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store where you can simply click Add to Chrome to install the Adastra Studio AI Ads Library Research Tool extension. Once the extension is installed, enter your API key, which you can find on the extension page inside Adastra Studio AI. After adding your API key, the extension is ready to use. The extension currently supports Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn ad libraries. Simply click the icon for your preferred platform and you'll be taken directly to its ad library. When you find an ad you'd like to save, click the Clone button. The extension will instantly capture the ad and store it in your Adastra Studio AI account. To view your saved ads, open the Cloned Ads section. Here you can organize and manage all your cloned ads, view detailed information, and access the original ad source whenever needed. When you're ready to create your own version, click Create Ad. This will launch the AI Creative Studio. Enter the required information, including your target brand name, product USP, or product description. Next, select your preferred transformation mode and click Generate My Ad. You'll then be taken to the Edit Ad section, where you can refine every aspect of your creative. Edit your headlines, ad copy, and media until your ad perfectly matches your campaign goals. Once you're satisfied, click Save and go to My Ads. Your AI-generated ad is now ready to use. From the My Ads section, you can continue editing your creatives at any time or publish them directly to your preferred social media platforms. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this guide helps you get the most out of Adastra Studio AI. Happy creating!